Hi, I'm Chef Jorge Sanchez. In my travels, I've noticed that there's a very underutilized piece of equipment in the school's kitchens. It's called a tilt skillet. It's great for browning, saute, braising. It'll just make you a better cook. Let me show you how. So here we are at the tilt skillet. Generally, the tilt skillet is a piece of equipment with a flat bottom, and it can tilt product out. Now, why would I want to use this tilt skillet in my preparation? Well, adding flavor is about adding layers and using some tried and true technique to try to build layers of flavor in our dish. So I'm gonna make the Moroccan sauce using the tilt skillet because I wanna get a nice color on my onions. So here we go. I'm gonna start with oil. Remember, saute is to cook quickly in a small amount of fat. That's a small amount of fat. And I've already sliced the onions, and we can hear this. Doesn't that sound great? So here we go. I'm gonna get a nice saute on these onions. I'm gonna move them around. I want a little color, not a lot, just a little. Here we go. When we caramelize, that's what we call it, caramelizing onion, we are browning the sugars in the cell structure. That sweetens the onion so that the onion takes on a whole nother complex dimension. And that will be translated in your recipe. Oh, this looks beautiful. I wish you could smell it. So that looks pretty good. I don't need to get these too dark, but I like the way that's going. So in goes the rest of our ingredients. So what I want to do there is allow this to come to a boil really quick, and then I'm going to turn it down to a simmer. Let's let the sauce kind of simmer for about a half hour or so, and then all those flavors will marry together. It's been about 30 minutes and everything is now wonderfully married together. All we gotta do is get it out. So that's where this tilt skillet is so useful. I'm gonna bring in a little cart with a pan and slowly and carefully let that go right into our pan. And we'll just help it along a little bit. Remember, safety is important here. Make sure that you have the proper shoes on. Don't wear anything with an open toe that you could end up spilling and hurting yourself. So, gotta work safely. So my sauce is out. All we have to do is clean the skillet, and it cleans very easily. Most of these have a water source right next to it. So we're just gonna put in some water, maybe some detergent, take it out, and then we sanitize it, and we are set to go for next time. Using them properly can add layers of flavor and also enhance the cooking and the eating experience of your students. Well, there you have it. I hope you know a little bit more on how to use a tilt skillet. Until next time, I'm Chef Jorge Sanchez. Cook well.